when 1200 is divided by a number, 1200 is divided by a number, it leaves the remainder as 35 in each case. It leaves the remainder as 35 in this case. 1200 is divisible by n plus x. These also gives a remainder 35 in each case. Now see here, can I say that 9 when divided by 2, remainder is 1. 2 4s are 8, remainder is 1. Or in other words, can I say 9 minus 1 divided by 2, 8 by 2, remainder is 0. So to get this number, if I put remainder in 1200 minus 35 divided by n, remainder is 0. 1235 is 1165. If it is 1165, that means n is a factor of 1165. N is a factor of 1165. I hope it is clear. N is a factor of 1165. Similarly, in this expression also, 1200 divided by n plus x is 35. That means n plus x is a factor of 1165. N plus x is a factor of 1165. Are you all with me? Right? N is a factor of 1165. N plus x is a factor of 1165. So n plus x is always greater than n. Am I right? So what are the factors of 1165? Let me write down the factors of 1165. 1165 is 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. It is 5 by 233. It is 5 by 233. Now if you observe, listen carefully. 1165 divided by n, remainder is 0. So the factors of 1165 is 1, 5, 233 and 1165. These are the factors of this number. These are the factors of this number. 9 divided by 2, remainder 1. 9 minus 1 by 2, remainder 0. 1200 divided by n, remainder 35. 35 goes to the left side. 1165 divided by n, remainder is 0. That means n can be, which all numbers it can be? N can be 1, 5, 233 and 1165. Are you all with me? But n plus x also can be 1, 5, 233, 1165. That means n plus x is greater than n. N plus x is greater than 1. So n plus x, how much it can be maximum? Maximum can be 1165. How much n can be? 233. So x maximum is 932. I hope the idea is clear. X maximum will be 932. Again, listen carefully. N is a factor of 1165, sir. These n plus x should be maximum. Maximum value should be attained to this value. N plus x is greater than n. What is the maximum factor of 1165? N plus x is 1165. I hope it is clear. 1165. So 1165 already taken. What is the next value n can take? 233. 233 plus x is 1165. X value, x maximum value is 932. I hope it is clear. X maximum value is 932. Is this logic clear? Is there anybody who wants me to repeat this logic? Second time I am repeating. 1200 divided by n. 1200 divided by n. Remainder is 35. That means n is a factor of 1200 minus 35. Factor of 1165. 1165. Similarly, remainder when 1200 divided by n plus x, it is 35. That means n plus x is also a factor of 1165. N plus x is a factor of 1165. Maximum possible value I want. What is the maximum possible value? If x is maximum possible value, n plus x can take either 1 or 5 or 233 or 1165. What are all these? These are all the factors of 1165. These are all the factors of 1165. Now see here. X is maximum. So n is a factor of 1165. X maximum means, suppose if I take 233 plus x, it is 1165. So x will be 932. X will be 932. N is also a factor. That means n. If n is 1, 1 plus x is a factor of 1165. 1164 is not there. If x is 5, 1160 is not there. So the only option is 233. X maximum is 932. I hope this logic is clear.